Dear Madeline, I am so grateful that God has brought the two of us here today, and I can't imagine where I'd be without you. You have been a source of joy in my life since the day we met. You're a strong, confident, beautiful woman, and there's not a soul in the universe I'd rather spend this day with. Your smile is infectious, and you've made me a better person each day we've spent together. You've been foundational for my growth as a man of God over the past couple of years and have helped me learn so much about myself. I cannot wait for you to be the mother of our children and to show them the same love you have shown me. Please don't ever change. You're my favorite person in this universe. I love you.
Hear the beating of my heart. It's always you. It's always you.
Give her a final look. How'd she look? Everything look good?
I don't want to cry.
It's always you.
Oh, honey. You look beautiful.
Like the sun that's steady rising, like a secret I can't keep. I have loved you forever, endlessly. It's always you. It's always you. Always been you. It's always you. It's always you. Always been you. It's always you. It's always you. Always been you. It's always you.
You look really nice in your suit.
He's a lucky boy.
Good morning. I want to see your ring. They look pretty good together.
Always been you. It's always you. It's always you. Always been you. It's always you. It's always you.
Nathaniel Robert, you are my best friend, confidant, lover, soulmate, protector, and from this day forward, my husband. I can't imagine my life without you by my side. I am better today and every day because of you. I will always cheer you on and be your biggest fan and support you in any and all endeavors that this life has in store for us. I'm so excited to see the blessing that marriage is, the joy and the sorrow, the fast and the slow-paced stages, the clean and even the dirty, and to experience it with you by my side. I know you will be the best husband and father to our children, and I can't believe how lucky I am to be your wife and to grow old with you. I give you all my love until death do us part.
Always you. It's always you. Always been you. It's always you. It's always you. Always been you. It's always you. It's always you. Always been you.
I wanna pause this moment, stay just like this, before it's out in the open, before it's serious and complicated. Let's keep it understated. You got your eyes locked on me in a different way, like you really saw me.
I, Nathaniel, take you, Madeline, to be my wife. I promise to be faithful to you, in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health. to love you and to honor you all the days of my life.
Stop looking at me like that. It's easier to want you when you don't want me back. Quit doing that thing you do anything else, just don't.
I, Madeline, take you, Nathaniel, to be my husband. I promise to be faithful to you, in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, to love you and to honor you all the days of my life.
Stop looking at me like that.
And now, for the first time as husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs. Madeline and Nate Stevenson.
Good job, guys. Congrats.
We did it!
Madeline's the perfect addition to our family, and I'm extremely grateful these two have found each other. I'm confident the future holds great things for both of them. Nate and Madeline, please know that if you need anything, I'm here for you. I wish you both the best.
This is what it feels like to fly. I'm never coming down. I thought it was a vision in the sky.
We all love Madeline, and we have for a long time, and we're so happy she's becoming part of our family. So please raise your glasses to Nate and Madeline. We love them and so happy for them, and wish them a wonderful life together.
Nate, your mother and I are very proud of you for all you've done as a child and now as a man. You've been an outstanding son and brother, student, athlete, and now we're anxious to see you move on as an outstanding husband.
Start, I've watched Madeline and Nate's love grow for each other. They have found not only a love, but a partnership for their lives. I've had the greatest honor of having Madeline by my side my entire life. I truly believe Madeline is going to be this perfect person for the rest of their lives.